And while viral spread remains high in North Carolina, metrics continue to decline from those elevated levels. Today, the state is reporting around 2,500 patients, which is down 1,300 from the most recent peak early last month. This coming as North Carolina health officials celebrate getting 70% of adults at least partially vaccinated. The state hitting that significant milestone 2 months after the nation as a whole did, and 3 months after President Biden's original 4th of July goal to reach that mark. And we're hearing tonight from Duke's lead researcher on the Pfizer kids vaccine trials as the drug maker officially applies for emergency use authorization with the FDA. The agency's advisory panel is set to discuss those findings in less than 3 weeks. And our Vanessa Rufus found out what the data shows from dosage to side effects for this youngest group thus far.
It was a big moment for Jim Mello and his daughters, Lydia and Bridget.
You ready?
The 5 and 7-year-olds taking their COVID shots so that other kids might have a shot at theirs later.
1, 2, 3.
The girls were 2 of more than 2,200 5 to 11-year-olds in Pfizer's COVID vaccine trials. Dr. Emmanuel Walter is the chief medical officer with the Duke Human Vaccine Institute and oversaw those pediatric trials.
We've had some very enthusiastic participants, particularly children this age, because they can really understand that they're contributing.
Walter says Duke enrolled its first participants back in March and eventually discovered it could cut the adult dosage to 1/3 while still maintaining similar antibody levels and similar side effects as older groups. The pediatric series is the familiar 2 doses, 3 weeks apart. That data now sits with the FDA, awaiting authorization for this new age group. Walter says it comes at a critical time as the Delta variant shows its harsher impact on kids than variants before.
The most important thing is to get the vaccine to protect your child. The good thing about protecting your child is you can feel more comfortable about sending them off to school, sending them to play sports or to go and engage in other recreational activities. So it's really important for them and their well-being.
Vanessa Rufus, WCNC Charlotte.